Queens, it's Chandra, also known as Irish Beauty, back with another video. Real quick, I'm going to show you how to do the best DIY scrub out there. You guys have been asking for it in my other videos, so I got you. Just keep on watching, and don't forget to hit the subscription button, give this video a like, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video. So here are all the ingredients that I'm using for the scrub. Make sure to look in the description box so you can see the links to make it easy for you, and also the measurements that I use. But we have the regular white sugar, we have brown sugar, honey, and jojoba oil. Now let's get to scrubbing. Now, of course, the sugar is going to be the exfoliant. We want to make sure that we are scrubbing off all of our dead skin cells. In the winter time, I know I'm super dry, so you must be as well. It also helps for like ingrown hairs and stuff. So next we have the jojoba oil. This stuff is my holy grail. I love it. I think everybody has like their own like favorite oil, but for me personally, jojoba oil is great because it's so similar to our natural oils, so you won't get any like clogged pores or ingrown hairs, pimples, anything like that from using it, unlike some other oils. Honey, I use this because it has healing properties and lightens scars. Once you're done mixing everything together to make it look sandy but also moist, you are going to just put it into a sealed container and you are good to go. Look at how nice this looks. Try it out and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.